Hey, Rick's Barber here. I thought I'd show you how I changed the blade in my 4x6 horizontal vertical bandsaw. The easiest way to do it is to have two people, which I never have. So here I have a very nice, expensive Starrett bimetal blade that broke on me while I was sawing a bolt, and there was a hard spot in the bolt and it just cracked. So there's another one, and you know, they're springy and they're sharp on one end, so you got to give them some respect or you're going to get a face full. What I do is I start by putting the blade in the guide, and then I take Velcro strap, and that's my extra hands. So I put the strap on there, come down here, put the strap around the bottom, and one thing you got to remember is to take them off before you start the saw, because I've lost a few that way. And now with those things stable, you're not fighting a bunch of flailing pieces of metal. Just still not super easy, but you put it in on the bottom wheel. Top wheel. Now obviously I've lowered this top wheel before I started, and it's on. Then I just tighten it up until it's snug, and then the all-important take off the Velcro straps before continuing. And then I close the cover. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention. Unplug it. I've never made that mistake, but you know, bandsaws were initially designed to cut meat, and they do it very well. So unplug it first, because you never know when you might bump the switch. So I've got plugged back in. The blade is pretty tight, but it's not set. It's not bedded down. So turn it on, and now you can tighten it up the rest of the way. And that's how I do it. That's all for now.